Yo, what's good guys, Project Jamaica here, and today guys I'm gonna be showing you something that's honestly wild. If you make music, that's if you sing, if you produce, or you just love experimenting with vocal. So Controller.xyz just dropped a brand new feature which is gonna let you create AI duet of your own song. So let me just show you how this works. I have this vocal right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna drag this into Controller.xyz, and yep, with this new feature all I just need to do is select region. So let's say for this part I want to select this vocalist, so it pops up. I could select from my own singers. I'm going to go to the royalty free voices and just select Lola for this part. Never mind. Select vocalist, select another vocalist, a male vocal, pick another male vocalist, select this. I've swapped the vocals with different voices. This is an extreme case that just for this I just want to play around with voices. I'm just gonna hit on swap voices. This is the before, the male vocal, but I've swapped it out. We have this now. This. So you can see how each of the voices are changing. But yeah, we have them individually. I've swapped it. He's another artist. That special love, so many things I feel, don't keep though you're. So yeah, so you can see how we've just easily swap out all the vocals from this particular vocal to this. So you can see how the voices are changing. So that's the new feature in Controller.xyz, and I'm going to show you a very use case scenario. So I have this my song, and I'm going to select the second verse and put a female to sing, a female vocalist to sing that second part. I'm just going to select and let's play it out. Let me just open it up, so you could open it up to make sure your selection is accurate. So I think I can go back a little bit. So this time around, I'm selecting it with the beat. So I'm going to select the whole of the verse too. Select a voice. So like I said, I'm going to use a female voice. Maybe I'll go with Lola. I'm just going to hit on swap voices. Nice. Nice. So this is a use case scenario where you can just easily swap out the vocal. You can have a verse 1, a male vocal, a verse 2, a rapper. The options are just endless. So that's a quick one. Upload your vocal, so it doesn't matter if it's studio clean or recorded on your phone. So just highlight the part of the vocal you want to assign, pick a voice from their collection, hit on generate, and in a few seconds you have a brand new duet partner basically singing your lines for you. So if you want to try this out for yourself, so just head to Controller.xyz. I'm going to leave a link in the description and play around with the new duet feature. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.